Hello, hello, my name is Kevin, and right now we are going to be creating a regular octagon in GeoGebra, and we're going to create its circumcircle as well, and this circumcircle is going to have arbitrary circumradius r, and we're going to create a slider to go along with that so we can change the circumradius. So firstly, we're going to start off with a slider, if I could find it. There it is. Alright, going to create a slider, put it up here, and we're going to change the coefficient to r. We'll do minimum as 0, and the maximum we'll do 10, I suppose. Alright, now we have our slider from 0 to 10. I apologize if I go a bit slowly. I'm using a mouse pad right now on a laptop. Now we're going to create our circumcenter using a point. And we're going to call this point, oops. I like to call this point O, so we'll do that. Alright, now we are going to create a segment with a given length. Click on O here, and this length will be equal to R, so we can just do this. That's going to give us a point A. Now from this point, we can do angle with given size. And right here, so how we're going to do this is each point, from O to each point in the octagon, is going to be 45 degrees because it's a total of 360 degrees. There's 8 points. 360 divided by 8 is 45. So how we're going to do that is we're going to first click on the one of the points of the octagon and then the circle. Then 45 degrees. Right here, I already have it set in. And that's going to create another point here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through and do the same exact thing a bunch of times until we have 8 points around our circumcenter here. Here we go. We don't need to fill in the last one because it's already there. I'm going to zoom in a bit, clean this up just so it looks a bit better. Where is the... I know there's a hide option. So you can do, there we go. So we'll just hide all these. Just make it look a little better. Oops. Oops. There we go. That's better. So now those are all hidden. What's going on here? Tools. Here we go. Alright. So now, luckily, when we do it this way, when we slide this, not only will it change point A, but it'll change all the other ones too. See that? Perfect. So now we can go ahead and, you know what? We can even label this. Go in settings. Oops. Excuse me for a moment. And this R. There we go. So now it will slide with it, and you can see just how long, just how much the circumradius is. So now at this point, we can connect all of these segments here. I could go in and rename each of these points A, B, C, and so on, but that would take at least a minute. I don't think it's quite worth it. So now, as you see here, we have a regular octagon, and I can even show you by measuring these angles. 135 degrees, let's just do another random one. 135 degrees, they're all 135 degrees, exactly what we want. So now, we can do circle with center, click point O as our center, and then drag it over to any of these points. And look at that. That is a regular octagon with circumradius r that we can adjust by sliding this slider here. Check that out. Zoom out a bunch. This goes all the way up to 10, which is way beyond our screen, but you know what? That's okay. And there it is.